How to log out of your Poshmark account. First, you want to open your Chrome browser and you want to search for the Poshmark on the search bar. After that, you'll be able to see the Poshmark website. You want to simply tap on Poshmark, and by doing so, if you're not logged in into your account, you want to simply tap on continue with Google, Apple or Facebook, however you want to log in into your account. However, if you're already logged in into that account, you'll be able to see three bars over here at the top right of your screen. You want to simply tap on those three bars, and if you scroll down all the way from there, you'll be able to see an option called log out at the very bottom of your screen. However, there is a much quicker way to log out if you are using the application. Let's say this is the Poshmark application we have. You want to simply tap and hold on to the Poshmark app and click on app info. After that, you want to tap on storage and cache, and you want to clear your storage from here. By doing so, you'll be deleting all the users data, hence logging you out of your account as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.